frantically. I'm back at it again with another video, as you can see. I hope everyone's day is going great. My day is going pretty well. I had like a great family day and girls day. I went out first to Bath & Body Works with my friend Xavier, to the movies and dinner with my family. And so let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna show you guys, I got 2 bags for some little reason, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. You guys the original prices and the prices that I got them for sale. Alright, so the first things that I have in here are my hand sanitizers. So I got 5 hand sanitizers. It was buy 5 for $6. I got this cute AF little holder, like this one. Oh, well, holder for the hand sanitizer was $5.75. It's like a hard plastic, and it just clips in here or something. So it's really cool and it's actually really sturdy. I thought it was gonna be it might fall out, but no, it's pretty sturdy. And it's super cute. It has little crystals on it, and then there's a little rose gold clip. So I was like, oh, it's so cute. And then this flavor, or this scent in here, sparkling lemon-o-sol, something like that. And the next one is black cherry merlot, and this one is pineapple mango. This one is peach baleen, and this one is unicorn water. Very interesting. The next bag, it has the majority of the things in there, and the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Fresh Spring Garden Cream Luxe hand soap, and it looks really just cute and nice, and it's iridescent and shimmery. So I was like, oh yeah, I'll just get this. I don't have any liquid hand soap. I have a bar soap in the bathroom, but I wanted liquid, and I was like, oh, it's so cute, so why not get it? And then I got this right here is the Amber and Argan Fine Fragrance Mist, and it smells really good. I feel like it smells really adult, so that's kind of why I got it. I was like, oh yeah, I have my pamper days with these fragrances, so I'll probably do a pamper day video with these, so stay tuned. But it's regularly $14.50 and I got it for $3.62. And the next thing is the Amber and Argan body oil. This is really clearly there's coconut oil in there, because you can see it got hard. Let me tell you, it says fragrance notes, and it's amber, argan, quince, and suede. So that's the notes of this fragrance, and it smells really good. What does this look like under here? Oh wow, that's so cute. It's like a little the little dropper. Oh, let's try this out. Yeah, it's nice. But yeah, oh, it smells so good, sweet and outdoorsy. I don't know why, but it just smells like that. But and it smells really pretty, just nice, subtle, cute, pretty smell. This was regularly $18.50, and I got it at the sale for $4.62. And the next thing is the Amber and Argan body cream, and it says with pure argan oil, and this was really $13.50 and I got it for $3.37. And the next thing we have is the Amber and Argan sugar scrub with pure argan oil. This is really $18.50 and I got it for $4.62. So that, and then the last thing is the Amber and Argan body butter, and this was regularly $18.50 and I got it for $4.62. I'm really excited about this because that fell the whole time, yeah. But it smells so good, and they had tons of them. You should really go. Oh no. messing up already. It's really like soft, like it feels really nice. So I'm super excited. Last but not least, I got this adorable little candle holder and candle. Oops. And the candle is Cactus Blossom. So it looks like that, and it has this cute little rose gold top, and it's pink. And the candle holder is green and white, and it has like gold, and it's like gold. And it has like flowers and leaves on it. It's so cute. I'm like, oh. The candle was $22.50 and I got it for $11.25. The candle holder was $14.50 and I got it for $3.62. So I was really excited about that because it's like this cute little set. So I was like, yay! Now I can put another candle set up somewhere in my room. But yeah, so I'm really excited about that. But that's all the stuff that I got from Bath & Body Works. Definitely go check them out because like their stuff is really cheap. Like they have like stuff that's like 75% off, 50% off, and it's like all of the great fragrances of Bath & Body Works. So today's the first day of the sale, June 4th, so definitely go check them out. Like, come on guys, like it's Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. Like, get it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love responding to you guys' comments. Like I really enjoy it, so keep up coming. Like let me know if you go to Bath & Body Works and what you got. Like come on ladies. Like, and guys, like I don't really think the guy stuff goes on sale, but they have guy stuff at Bath & Body Works. Maybe if you have a girlfriend, get something for your girlfriend. But yeah, let me know what you guys get. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Bye guys.